Hi everyone, it's Chris here at Purely Outdoors, and today we're reviewing Outdoor Revolution Sportlite Awning. So this is the Sportlite 400 that we've got on display here. It comes in really sort of generous 3-panel style awning. Also comes in a slightly smaller 320, which is 2-panel. So you've got a couple of different options on size. Both come with 2.5 meters of depth, so really nice spacious awning in either size there. We'll touch on some of the key exterior features now, but probably just before we do that, we'll probably just say who this awning's really sort of targeted towards. So it's someone that's after a sort of single point inflation awning. It's really quick and easy to get pitched, but they are conscious on sort of the weight and the sort of pack size of the awning. So with this really nice lightweight but waterproof fabric, really makes it nice and easy to pack down. And for a sort of 4 meters in width awning, coming in at sort of 20 kg, it's a really good awning from a sort of weight and price perspective. So that's probably who it's catered for. We'll now talk about the airframe system. So it's Outdoor Revolution's oxygen airframe with an intelligent frame. So what that means is it's single point inflation here, which then distributes the air throughout the awning. And with the intelligent frame, it really cleverly sort of adjusts the air pressure as and when temperature changes outside. It adjusts that accordingly. So really good intelligent air system. And not only that, Outdoor Revolution offer the lifetime guarantee on the air beam system itself. So further peace of mind from that perspective. In terms of the fabric, we've got a 280 HDE lightweight all season fabric. So as I mentioned before, really nice and lightweight, but you've got all that peace of mind that it's got 4,000 mil of hydrostatic head. So really robust and waterproof as well as lightweight. So fantastic fabric there. As we talk about the panels itself, so they all come with these lovely sort of darkened PVC windows. So it just gives you that privacy and sort of anti-glare, but lets all the light in as well. So really nice window system on these. As you can see, we've zipped out both of the end panels that just act as doorways, and these just toggle across and toggle points are in there. Other key exterior features, so we've got the storm straps come included, so really nice extra touch. And in terms of on the side of the awning itself, we've got 2 zip out panels that can literally be used with further sleeping annexes bolted onto the side. So lots you can do with the awning. But as it comes as standard, you've pretty much got everything you need to go for when you get on the campsite. We'll now take a look inside the Sportlite and chat through some of the interior features there. Okay guys, so inside the Sportlite now, and I think the first thing that you will get a sense of in here is just the head height and the actual depth of the awning. So it comes with these lovely pre-angled beams. When you sort of complement that with these really nice large PVC windows, just makes it feel really nice and airy in here. An extra point as well to note, so like I said, it comes as a single point inflation system, but you've got these extra sort of storm bars which you need to sort of pump up yourself, but they just velcro into the center beam, and again just give that really nice bracing feel to the awning. So especially for your larger size, just having that when you're maybe away from the vehicle just gives you that peace of mind that it's going to be nicely sort of based to the ground. So very good addition there. We'll now work our way around and chat through some of the other interior features. So as I mentioned before, all the panels come with these sort of lovely integrated curtains. So sort of a no nonsense approach. You're not having to sort of faff around with threading the curtains in and maybe at risk of losing them. They're all fully integrated. So literally just toggle points here. And then if you want that privacy, literally a case of zipping the curtains down. So really nice system there from Outdoor Revolution. As we see as well, so on the side door here, you've got this lovely mesh panel. So again, great for just giving you that breathability in the summer, but keeping the bugs out as well. So lovely touch there. As we work our way up, you've got the sort of high ventilation points in each of the corners. So again, just great with sort of moderating that temperature in the awning in the summer months. In terms of the seal to the van, so very good. It's probably a simplistic system, but works really well. So it's sort of your pole and pad style. So you've got the point where the rear upright pole slots in there, and then the spike bottom straight into the ground. And you've got these strapping points again, just to tension and to give you that really nice tight seal to the actual vehicle itself. In terms of the Kador Strip, so it comes with the 4 and the 6mm beading. So again, great if you've got, you know, either your traditional caravan rail or a cassette awning on your vehicle. You've got the 2 different options there of threading through. As we work our way up, you've got a bedroom inner point as well. So if you're going to be using the awning as a sleeping point, you've got literally the strapping points there at the top to have the bedroom annex in, bedroom inner, sorry. Another key point to note, you've got the LumiLink points as well. So lighting is really important in your awning, and they have a couple of different options. So you've got Velcro points if you want the up-down lighter on each of the beams with the LumiLink rechargeable light. That's really popular. You've got those options there on each of the 4 beams there. Or if you want that sort of LumiLink LED strip style lighting, you've got these Velcro tab points as well for that. So Outdoor Revolution, real leader in awning lighting, so definitely worth checking out those options there. Another option on your roof, again, you've got these little eyelets in here for the lounge liner. So again, just helps protect that roof fabric, helps with condensation buildup, a really popular accessory alongside the Sportlite. Another key add-on, as you can see, you can literally zip out the either side panel as well. And if you want that extra sleeping space, Outdoor Revolution do a poled sleeping bedroom annex as well that you can bolt onto the side of the Sportlite. So very popular addition. And again, if you want to make the awning feel slightly homelier, they do a made-to-measure carpet as well. So loads of great additions, very fantastic awning. It's, like I said before, it's sort of aimed at the sort of caravanner who wants a quick and easy inflation system, very lightweight fabric, so they're not having to lug a very heavy sort of box around with them at the campsite at a very affordable price. So I would really recommend this awning, either the 320 or the 400. We'll be sharing all the links to our website so you can read the full product spec on there. But if you do have any questions, please feel free to drop us a comment below. Thanks so much for watching.